Yeah, mukhang aabutan tayo ng ulan.
Sige, mami. Ayan, okay na. Upok na tayo.
Good evening, ma'am and sir.
Welcome to Casa Corazon Hotel. Please have a seat. Wow, ganda naman dito. Excuse me po. I will just call someone to assist you, ma'am and sir. Cisco.
Thank you.
Mika, pass naman ang gas natin sa receiving area.
Okay, gets lang daw.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. Do you want some refreshing drinks po?
Yes, just water, please.
Okay, wait a minute. I'll just going to get it. Thank you. Excuse me, here's your water. Enjoy po.
Water.
I'll just go to the front desk to check our bookings, okay?
Mahal, samahan na kita.
It's okay. Just wait for me here.
Sige.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Hi, good evening. I have a reservation under Yasha Katapang. I booked online earlier today.
Okay, ma'am. Wait, let me check. Ma'am, it look like fully booked na po kami tonight.
Ano?
Ano? Pakinig nyo ba yon? Siguro ang ma'am nyo yun. Tara, sundan natin.
What do you mean na fully booked?
Wait lang po.
May confirmation email ako. Ito oh.
Wait po, let me check po.
Let me check. Ano to, joke time? Nag-book kami ng maayos, tapos sasabihin nyo walang available na room?
Sir,
Just
pasensya
hindi
lang
pwede
na
yan.
kami. Wala pa kami matutuluyan. Calm down po,
It's
please.
raining so hard. We're all wet and tired na. Di ba kayo marunong mag-manage ng bookings nyo?
I understand po, ma'am and sir. Nagka-problema po kasi sa online bookings
Problema
namin.
nyo yan. Bakit kami magdurusa? Pamilya kami at gabi na, tapos ganito pa mangyayari?
Pasensya
Are
na
you
po talaga.
kidding me? We trusted this hotel kaya dito kami nag-book.
Ma'am, pasensya
Kung alam
na po.
lang namin na yan ang mangyayari, sana hindi na lang.
Sana hindi na lang.
Pasensya na po talaga. Ma'am, sir, calm down. We fully understand your frustration po. Let's try to solve it calmly. Pasensya na po talaga.
Sir, maybe po, we can check with our partner hotel. Baka ma-available sila.
No, hindi namin problema yan. You fix this mess, call your manager right now.
Okay po, wait a minute. I just going to call our manager.
Please have a seat while waiting, ma'am and sir.
Ano naman yan?
Please have a seat.
Ma'am, may nagka-problema po doon. We have to go to the lobby.
Okay, sunod ako.
Excuse me, ma'am and sir. Here's my manager.
Good evening, I'm Julius, the manager. I was informed of your concern. How can I help?
How can we help? Your staff just told us that we have no room and yet we have a confirmation. Explain this.
Nagbayad kami. We follow the process. Bakit kayo hindi?
We sincerely apologize. Our system didn't update real time and we didn't catch the overbooking. Alam ko pong hindi ito excuse, but please allow us to fix this.
Gabina, you should have contacted us earlier. Bakit ngayon nandito lang kami? Saka lang namin nalaman. We're shocked. Lahat kami dito pagod na at gusto magpahinga. Is it too much to ask? Baka kami mag-go home na lang.
This is not just about inconvenience. This is negligence. Ano ba namang hotel to?
Sir and ma'am, I take full responsibility. Here's what we'll do. We'll transfer your whole family to our partner hotel nearby. Don't worry, free shuttle service po and also a 20% discount on your stay. I'll personally call the hotel to prepare your room and some food.
That's the least you can do.
And make sure hindi kami papalayasin ulit.
I'll assure you, sir. I'll even call them now. Excuse me. Good evening. This is Julius from Casa Corazon Hotel. May itatransfer lang akong client from our hotel. Dahil nagka-problema kasi it's overbook na kami. So, itatransfer ko na lang sa inyo. Okay. Nandiyan na kami in 30 minutes. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am and sir. Your room is reserved and ready. Shall we proceed?
Paano maayos na to?
Good evening, ma'am, sir. Welcome to Siberian Hotel. Let me accommodate you po. This way, please.
Good evening, Mr. and Mrs. Katapang. We're very sorry for the earlier inconvenience. By the way, your room is ready na.
I'll carry your bags po.
Sana pala dito na lang tayo Parang mas maayos talaga dito. May pagkain ba? Yes po, may restaurant pa pong bukas. We'll send snack and hot drinks na lang po sa room nyo.
Thank you for accommodating us.
And please, pakiayos na lang ng system nyo next time at huwag yun ang mangyari sa ibang taong nangyari ngayon.
Noted po, sir. Pasensya na po ulit.
Let's accommodate you po. This way, please.
Here's your room po. If you need anything, just press 123 on the bell.
Hi. Have a good rest po. Sorry again for what happened. We hope we made your night better. Thank you.
You did. Salamat.
Ay, salamat. Makakapagpahinga na din. Sakit na kasi ng katawan ko.
Pwede naman tayo kumain.
One, two, three, go!